Hey there, class of 2024. It is time to go over your enrollment. I was in Ms. Comstock's class with you the end of March, 1st of April, and we talked about I went over the PowerPoint, we talked about the student handbook with all of the courses, and now we are ready to make our selections in PowerSchool. So let me walk you through this process. So first thing you'll do is you will log into PowerSchool, and over on the left, you will click class registration. Now, my screen looks a little bit different from yours because I'm in the admin portal and you won't be, but I will go through it the best that I can and go along the way. So first thing, when you get to sophomore English, you will have sophomore English. You only have English 2 as the option. Then when we go to math, we will click over and select our math course. If we are eligible to take Algebra 1 or Algebra 2 or basic geometry, whatever that is, whatever prerequisites we've met, we will then go on to select it here. If there is a checkbox here, that means we can take it. If there isn't, it means that we're not eligible. Algebra 2 with review may be a suggestion, and even though you don't have that button available, that could still be a possibility. So once you've selected your math course, you will click OK and continue on. If you choose to take a history, government, social studies class, you're welcome to. If you did not have world history as a freshman, you need to go ahead and click it now, so that way you have it. If you want to take any of those other courses, you are welcome to do so at that time as well. So I like psychology. Now, science course. Remember, we talked about the big issue with science is, do we take 1 or 2 science classes as a sophomore? If you're looking at going into the medical field, you'll want to take biology 2 and earth science both, as those are both requirement at an 85% or higher completion in order to be allowed to go into anatomy and physiology your junior or senior year. If you're not looking at going into the medical field, earth science is your choice. Technology electives. So one thing to keep in mind, all of these classes are in alphabetical order, and some of them have multiple pages. So you can toggle between the pages and find what you want to. Say that. Oh, I clicked out instead of okay. So see, that's what you have to do. All right, so I can look at the bottom and I have to select between 5 and 10 credits. Right now I'm requesting 5. Now I know I have to take the full 8 credits, so I'm going to make sure that I have as close to 8 as possible. I took Intro to Business this year, and I've talked to my seminar, I've looked through everything. So I took Intro to Business. I am taking Business Management next year. Again, you are taking more time and doing more research than I am and just clicking these sort of things. I need to go ahead and take my art to get my art credit taken care of. So right now I'm selecting 7 credits. Now I want to take some electives. Now I don't really play sports, but I like to do stuff. So what was that class called? Oh, it was Lifetime Fitness. I want to take a Lifetime Fitness. So I want to click there and go into that class. And I have 7.5 credits. Oh, that's actually a full credit. So I will have 8 credits. Then what we need to do is go to an alternate. So if these electives are not available, what are 2 other classes that I would not mind joining and going into? Again, these are in alphabetical order and there are multiple pages. If you've met the prerequisites, you'll have a check, or your box will be able to be checked. If you've not met the prerequisites, then you will not be able to click it, and it will have that over here in this box. You do not want to click anything that you have clicked above. Okay, so I clicked psychology earlier. I'm not going to click psychology as an alternate. Okay. So anything that is an alternate down here are not going to be classes that are going to be located up here. Okay. Once I have that done, I look at additional request. Guys, I can't take this off. It's just part of PowerSchool. It is there. Just leave it. Don't worry about additional request portion. So I'm required to take between 5 and 10. I know I really have to take 8. I'm requesting 7.5. That'll be different because I'll change Lifetime Fitness. And then you will have an OK or submit button down here that you will need to push in order to get that submitted. From there, it will populate and generate course request, and then we can go from there with which classes are available and then get parent and student signature from there. So if you have any questions at this point in time, feel free to let me know, and I will see you soon. Thanks.